Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Side effects of sulfonylureas. Right. Side effects of sulfonylureas are they can cause hypoglycemia. This hypoglycemia is the most common complication of sulfonylureas, and they can cause chloropropamide, especially the drug chloropropamide. This can cause following side effects. It can cause cholestatic jaundice. Okay, it can result in syndrome of inappropriate a antidiuretic hormone. It can cause this disease, and it can also cause disulfiram like reaction. Okay, so as a result, this chloropropamide or first generation sulfonylureas are not used nowadays, and these sulfonylureas will also cause one more side effect. They can cause weight gain also. They can cause weight gain also.
thank you and thank you for watching.